Why is it so dark? It's so dark.
What is that you're messing with?
This makes it darker.
Wow, I would have never knew that.
Lighter. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a vlog slash productive day in my life type of video. It's currently 2:44. Yes, I still have on my bonnet and my lounge clothes because I haven't gone anywhere today, and pretty much all that I've done today was watch my niece, so I'm just sitting in the house. But I have a lot of stuff that I want to do today, so I'm just gonna take you guys with me. This book is my like to-do list book. It's like halfway full at this point, and whenever I have like checklists or anything that I need to make, I'll write them all in here. So my to-do list for today, I need to clean my room. My room is like a disaster area. Over the past like 2 months, I haven't cleaned my room in like 2 months because I've just been having so much going on and I haven't had time. There's clothes all over the place and I need to just organize everything. After that, I need to thrift today. I got my first like personal thrift shopper client, who's my friend. So I'm gonna go thrifting for her today and pick out the stuff that she sent me. And then I plan on going to 2 thrift stores for that. Hopefully I'll be able to go to both. That's what I'm planning on doing. I also have an assignment due tonight for my management class, and then I want to record a thrift haul, my first like 2021 thrift haul, because I got a lot of great things in the past like month. So I want to do a thrift haul, and when I do that, I also want to make some outfit TikToks. I'm really trying to get into like fashion TikTok because I enjoy fashion TikTok a lot. So I'm trying to make like outfit videos and haul type of videos and things like that because I think they're super interesting. So I want to make some TikToks and record a video that will all be in like the same span of each other. And yeah, that's everything I need to do today. So I don't know what order I'm going to get these things done in. I know it's 2:46 right now. I'm going to go clean my room right now. That's number 1 on the list. And after that, me and my sister are going to go to the Goodwill and maybe Value World. They're right down the street from each other, so I want to go to both, but we will see. And then after that, I need to do my management assignment because that's due at 9 p.m. so I need to do that as well. I don't know if the recording the video is going to happen today or not. If not, I'll just do it tomorrow. But I might even do that really late tonight. I can record a video any time of day, really, because I'm just going to be using lights. It's not like I need natural light or anything like that. So, yeah, we're going to jump into cleaning my room right now. Like, it's so messy. I don't even know if you can see, like, there's clothes all over the place. So we're going to do that right now.
Bet they give me a pound. Tell them put the money in my hand right now.
These are all clothes for this thrift haul. Like, I've been finding so many things. A lot of stuff.
I really want to come kick it with you. You'll be my American boy. He said, hey sister, it's really, really nice to meet ya. I just met this 5'7" guy who's just my type. Like the way he's speaking, his confidence is peaking. Don't like his baggy jeans, but I'ma like what's underneath it. And no, I ain't been to MIA. I heard the cat.
Girl. I'm doing stuff right now. The way that I'm trying to do this right now is like divide all the clothes up into sections, like stuff like my dance clothes, stuff that goes in the closet, my jeans, because I have like tubs and drawers for all of these things. So I'm trying to just get them all organized.
American boy. Let's go shopping, baby. Then we'll go to a cafe.
taking a little break to go thrifting. Right now, me and my sister are gonna go. I need to fix these because they look crazy. I just put my hair in these buns that I've been wearing them in. It's messy, but I'm not gonna fix it because I don't care enough. Go to Value World and Goodwill. Both of those places to shop for my friend slash client number 1. I am going to be trying to do, like, I have to figure out the business part of it, but I'm trying to be like, I want to start doing like personal thrift shopping for people that don't know how to find things at the thrift store. I'm very good at it, tooting my own horn because I am very good at it. So that's the plan. Thrifting, come back, and then I'm probably gonna finish cleaning my room, do my management assignment, then record another video or make my TikToks, probably one of the two. Yeah, today will be a productive day. Why is it so dark? It's so dark.
What is that you're messing with?
This makes it darker.
Wow, I would have never knew that.
Yeah. Okay, this is my sister. We're gonna go in Value World right now. I'm looking for.
Why do you call this? Oh, that is Value World.
I know. Thanks.
I was called something else.
No, there's a Salvation Army over there.
Oh, that's what I was looking at.
I'm looking for about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different types of clothes that I'm supposed to be getting for her. So we're gonna go in here and I'm gonna look for stuff and hope that I find something. If I don't, we're also going to Goodwill after this. So yeah, it's supposed to be a bad snowstorm this evening. We got about an hour and 15 minutes before that's supposed to happen, or when it's supposed to start snowing, so we're trying to hurry.
Dressed in all your fancy clothes, sneakers looking fresh to death. I'm lapping up show toes, walking that walk, talk that slick talk, like this American boy. Take me on a trip, I'd like to go someday. Take me to New York, I'd love to see LA. I really want to come kick it with you. You'll be my American boy. Tell her walk, wobbler.
Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK. Reluctantly, cause most of this press don't fuck with me. Estelle once said, tell me cool down, down. Don't act a fool now.
So I only found like 2 hairs that might need to be altered, but they kind of give the right vibe. I think we're gonna move on.
What's your persona about this Americana? Rhymer, am I shallow? Cause all my clothes designer. Dress smart like a London bloke. Before he speak, his shoe be spoke. Man, you thought he was cute before. Look at this peacoat, tell me he's broke.
Yeah, you could. We got some stuff.
I hate that their names are so similar.
Who's?
Like, what do I say? The weather is really bad.
Okay, it's a lot later now. It's actually super late. It's like it's 8:27 right now. The way today went was not exactly according to plan, but I'm just gonna make this a 2-day video, probably. So we went to Value World. I'll show you guys the stuff that I got from there. I got about half or a little over half of the stuff that I was supposed to get for my client, and then then we came home. We were in there for a while. I got a few things for myself. The management assignment that I thought I had to do tonight is actually tomorrow, so I'm not gonna do that till tomorrow. Today when I did clean my room, I didn't finish cleaning it, so as you can see, I still have all of these clothes up here. I'll probably have to finish, like, it's gonna be 2 days, so I'm gonna finish doing that tomorrow. I didn't record, I didn't do anything today. I did thrift though, which was important, so I got the thrifting out the way. I cleaned half of my room, and tomorrow I'll finish the other half of it. It's a really bad snowstorm outside right now, which started at like 6-ish. That's when we started rushing home because it was getting really bad out. Deshaun is coming to get me this evening because we're gonna go hang out at his house for a while. I'm just gonna show you guys the stuff that I got. The first thing I got, I put the shirt on already because I like it a lot. I got this shirt. It's just this gray t-shirt that says, I think it says Galleys. Dark gray looking shirt that I think is really cute. I'm about to wear it with my gray sweatpants, and I think it's cute. It was I think like $129 or something like that. I got this purse. It's like interesting. It's big, but it's not like super big. I hate really big purses, so this is like a larger but not like huge. So I got this bag. It was nice. It's like a dark brown color. I got this really nice crew neck that says the Mayfield Sandridge Club on it. It's just blue, regular, oversized-ish. And then I got another t-shirt. Looks like this on the front, and then on the back it looks like this. Really cute, oversized as well. I'm showing you guys them right now, but I'm also probably gonna put them in my thrift haul video that I'm gonna be recording tomorrow. Right now it's 8:30 something, like I said, 8:30. Deshaun's gonna be on his way to get me soon. I'm gonna do my nails just because, and I'm gonna watch iCarly on Netflix, and probably straighten up my room a little bit. I'm gonna fix my hair because it's like messy. And yeah, that's pretty much all that I'm gonna be doing for tonight. Okay, good morning, day 2. It's like 9:50 right now. I'm about to get onto my stats Zoom class. That's at 10 o'clock. That's from like 10 to kind of like 10:45, 11. It kind of varies on the day, but we're gonna do that right now. Afterwards, I'm gonna be watching my niece for a little while until my sister gets here. Today I have I'm gonna plan on making my TikToks that I didn't make yesterday. I'm going to try to finish cleaning my room, and I also might record a video. We'll see. My sister mentioned to me that she wanted me to help her clean up some stuff at her house later today, so I might be doing that as well. And yeah, we're gonna get into the Zoom call. Also, my assignment is due today, so I'm gonna do that as well later. That's not due till 9 o'clock. So that's at the second half of the day, but right now we're gonna do this little Zoom call and then go figure out something to eat.
You ain't into all that. I heard your lyrics, I feel your spirit, but I still talk that cat. Cause a lot of wags wanna hear it, and I'm feeling like Mike at his baddest, like the Pips at the Gladys, and I know they love it, so they here with all that rubbish.
Okay, I'm completely aware that I'm a terrible vlogger, but I'm trying to get better at vlogging because I'm not good at it. It is 6:11, day 2. So I'm all done up now because I was just making TikToks, outfit TikToks, which are nice. You guys will probably, they'll probably already be on my TikTok by the time this video comes out, so make sure you go check those out. But at this point it's 6 o'clock. I have an assignment due at 9, so I'm gonna go do that right now. Well, I'm gonna go make another TikTok with a different outfit, and then I'm gonna go do my homework assignment. For the rest of the evening, I need to help my sister with something around 6:45ish, and then after that I'll probably be going to Deshaun's house again today. So I'm gonna make this other TikTok and then I'll be back. Gonna go in front of the ring light. Oh, right. Okay. Too bright. Back to where I was earlier today when I recorded a clip. It's super late. This vlog is kind of all over the place because I'm not very good at it. I'm trying to get better at it. I have on a completely different outfit now because I was recording another styling TikTok. I'll have my TikTok in the description box down below. I did my quiz. I ended up not going to Deshaun's house because there were some complications with a lot of things. But it's like 12 right now, but I honestly think I'm about to record my thrift video. my thrift haul video. I think that's what I'm about to do right now because I don't have really anything else at the moment. But yeah, I'm pretty much just been watching YouTube. I'm gonna edit some of the pictures that I took today that I need to post on Instagram in a couple days. I've been really racking up my Instagram content. I have like 4 different sets of pictures that I want to post, so that's good. But I think I'm gonna end this vlog right here. I know it's all over the place. I'm gonna try to do better next time. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you give it your thumbs and that you like. Oh, I just said that. Hit that subscribe button down below if you have not already. Also hit that bell hit that bell icon to get notified every time that I post. Make sure you follow me on all of my social media. That will be at the beginning of this video, at the end of this video, and in the description box down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Think about what I wanna do.